Yes, I think in the future you'll be able to save and replay memories. I mean, this is obviously sounding increasingly like a Black Mirror episode, but well, I guess they're pretty good at predicting.
Evelyn de Rothschild joins us now to talk about investing in China and his latest venture, Weather Central, here as well. So, Evelyn, thank you very much indeed for joining us. I just want to get your views on how things have evolved. Has it become a more open society? Has it become an easier place to do business?
Oh, I think it is, no doubt. I think it's a remarkable country. When you think of what has happened in the last 10 years, let alone 20 years, is an achievement beyond recognition. I think that one of the things that is so important is people must come to China, not only come to the East Coast, but to go into China and see the potential and see what has been developed by the government and by the private enterprise. A private enterprise is the biggest earner of opportunities, and I think it is remarkable, and I think one can but say the achievement should be recognized worldwide. Well, you're talking to a person who's quite old. If I'm around in 5 years, I'd like to think that that is the case. I think we've all got to move towards that opportunity, and I think the challenge also is whether we should move towards an international currency, because the speculation and the complexity of currency has caused some of the irritation, not only among the trading nations, but among individuals. But it's not for me to say how it will happen. But I think everyone who knows how to deal with these situations is very cognizant of the problem it takes to get over it, and I think the renminbi will become more convertible. But when it'll come, that is a matter for obviously the powers that be.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher, and guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and WO book. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who shopping at the store, you're blowing the store up, much love also. Now, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As we can see, guys, we have no volume whatsoever. So basically, we know the fact is that we have no volume, we're not going to have big moves. So make sure that we understand that, of course, the stock market closes on Friday, crypto market opens, but we don't have anything going on. Now, we do have Cme, Bitmex, and the other future derivative exchanges. Their contracts ended on Friday. Remember, they have now until the 4th. The 4th is going to let us know everything, because on the 5th, they need Bitcoin as collateral. So make sure that we're looking at that, because we're definitely going to get a pump. So it just depends on how far we go down. So what's going to tell us? Of course, XRP and stable coins. Now, we know that Tether now is trying to move some of it over to the OMG network in order to get some of it off the Ethereum blockchain due to congestion. So guys, we have to keep an eye on OMG network. I've been keeping an eye on it. Don't forget, 3 months ago, they were at about 700 million, and now have doubled that to 1.4 billion. So they've doubled their market cap in 3 months. So we have to understand that, guys. Make sure that we're staying focused on that. And of course, if you want to invest, invest. But it's definitely going to go up. Of course, if Tether is going to be going to the network, of course the price is going to go up. That's just common sense. Now, basically, we also have XDAI get a little pump, guys. Make sure you are going to that second page. I know a lot of people don't even go to the second page of investing. That's where you get the gems, those second and third and fourth pages. Make sure you're doing your research on these cryptos. Now, we have 1 billion, just like I stated, 1 billion of derivatives that expire. So we'll see how far that we actually drop. XRP, just like I said, is going to be that key indicator. Will let us know how far that dip is going to be. Remember, technical analysis is not going to tell you anything. We know XRP is that synthetic stable coin that's going to run this whole thing. And basically, once XRP drops, we see the whole market drops. And of course, those stable coins also going to let us know. Now, I went over yesterday, USDC also, the market cap also has went crazy. So over the past 3 months. So guys, make sure that we're staying focused and looking at that. Now, we have Visa executive getting over the crypto news. We have the Visa executive says to buy Bitcoin due to, of course, the dollar index is decreasing. Of course, we have inflation. Cost of living, I went over this yesterday, is definitely going to go up. Basically, we have Chainlink acquires privacy preserving Oracle protocol from Cornell University. We also had the Cornell University professor says the digital yuan is not going to threaten the US dollar. Now guys, we know for a fact this has been set up. I went over this 100 times. China, of course, if you look at that Asian connection, the Belt and Road, the BRICS nation, this was all set up a long time ago. If you listen to clips of the Rothschilds, they speak about this all the time, is that rise of China, the dragon, the empire that's going to take over, of course, the next century. Now, basically we have Cardano getting into data oracles, going to be adding smart contract functionality to that. We also have Yearn.finance network hits 18,000, now it's at like 24,000. Guys, don't forget the supply is only 30,000, so don't forget about that. But they are approaching that 1 billion market cap, and of course that happened after what? Aave listing. So guys, what I tell you, insurance, loans, anything that's in the current system that can move over to blockchain, all this is going to be on blockchain and tokenized. Now, I showed the clip of Elon Musk speaking about Black Mirror, Netflix, basically being able to predict. Guys, we know television is what? Predictive programming. We actually make these things manifest, and I'll be doing a video about that tomorrow. Don't forget that the eyes and ears are the windows to the soul, so be careful what you put in it. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. If you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also stocks, cobalt, chip stocks, gaming, banking stocks. Also everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks. We have the C word, the biotech stocks. Don't forget about those. And because everybody's sitting at home waiting on that free money, I think like 5 states now are getting that little extra 300. 35 have been approved, but they haven't received anything yet. What are they doing? Waiting on that free money, drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.